O, ikaw na magbilang. Okay, bilang ka. Guys, ayan, magbabayaran na kami. May witness tayo. Iyan, tsaka Jason. Ayan. Ang kalad, daming pera ni Kuya, oh. Kuya, share your
40.
blessings, ha? Pakita mo yung face ni Kuya, Jason. Baka mamaya, tapuin na tayo.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ang dami niyang ayusin na motor, oh.
One, two, three. Okay po.
Sakto, Kuya?
Sakto po.
Walang sobra, ha? Ayan.
Walang tip.
Oh, wala. Si ano na po kayo bahala mag-tip. Ayan.
Kung kumangkaya ni, si ano po kayo? Si ano? Pang ano po sa...
Ay, ito po. Ayan. Sige. 100K yan, Kuya. Alaka, ikaw magbabayad niyang ano. Ito si Sir Alfeo, siya po yung nag-receive ng ating ano. Kasi yung owner, nandun na siya sa Quezon. Yeah, welcome to my vlog for today. So for today's video, guys, my vlog is all about a trip to Naga. So we're going to Naga to pick the pig or cat or buy the motorcycle that Rick liked. So actually, it's nearly his birthday, and he wanted to be as his gift on his birthday. So I'm really opposing to the motorcycle, his idea of motorcycle, because we already have a car, and you know, for me, I feel more safety if he's driving a car rather than motorcycle. But here we are. He wants a motorcycle on his birthday. Oops, lots of dogs. Yeah, so today we're going to Naga, and let's do this. See you in a little while. To Naga. Rick is there, and the boys, my friends, they're taking us to Naga. So guys, the time is 6:24 in the morning. I'll give you an update what time we gonna arrive in Naga, in the exact location of the motorcycle. Community Fish Landing Center. Dito na kami sa site ng pagkukuha na namin ng motor. Medyo naligaw kami. Ayan, so balik kami ng konti. Ayan, yung ADV nasa labas. ADV nasa labas daw. Okay. So ito siya, ibig sabihin lampas na tayo. Okay, so ito yung site. So far yan yung video ko lang. Ayan. Inuulan na kami, guys. So yun yung motor na pipikapin namin. Yan. Yan, maganda. O, diba? Alright guys, dumating na kami. So ayan, tingnan natin. Nandito na tayo sa Bagong Bayan Norte, Camarines Sur. Okay, so ito po yung ito yung pipikapin nating motor. ADV 150. Ayan, ayan si Rick. Mukhang bago pa naman yan. Hindi pa lang yung gas-gas. So, ayan naman si Jason at saka si Ian. Ayan, thank you so much mga boys. Guys, ayan. Dito na tayo. Ayan. Hey, Rick. Ayan. The three big boys. Ayan. There are three big boys. Happy birthday to my darling Rick. Ayan. Ito yung gift niya sa kanyang sarili. Ayan. Ayan natin yung okay. So included na yung included yung top box. Oh, maganda yung top box niya. Ayan. And then, registered na din to up to 2026. By the way, this is model 2021, ABV 150. Yan.
Ilas ko yung ilas. Pre. Yaw na. Yaw dyan sa ilas.
Okay.
Pre.
Okay, so far, Rick is checking motorcycle. Ayan. So guys, ginawa namin to. Second hand to pero nasa 8K pa lang yung mileage niya. Or odometer, as what we call it. So, okay. Maganda naman siya. Mukha naman talaga bagong-bago pa. So, okay na din.
Hindi ko siya nagdala ka na. Yo. Kaulit ko din. There. Hindi ko nagdala ka.
Okay.
Iyo?
Tinitingnan na rin yung windscreen kung okay siya. Diba? Yan. Okay. So, Rick is trying it lang.
Ito bagay yan sa iya. Kapula. Kasi ano kahit yan, yung sa diri. Tulit sa atin. Ito pagalda siya mas pangaluhan sa diri. Ito pagalda yung diri.
Looks good on you? Yeah, okay.
Stop working. Yes, yeah. You have to keep this. Yeah, can't risk the what's right. Dalat pala ka dito.
Check up na ng tatlong boys yung kung okay ba yung taillight, yung mga lights, ayan, yung keys. So, eto tinanggal na yung top box. So, maganda. Big bracket talaga siya, ng ADV. Okay, so ready na to i-karga sa yan. Ito pala yung van ni Ian. So, thank you so much, Ian, ha. Thank you sa pag-service sa amin papunta dito. Yes.
Pay for it?
Yeah, I said we will pay them once you're okay with that. You're done? Okay. So now we're gonna pay the guy. Kaya nga, dito na.
Dito na po.
Talaga lang.
Kung paano malang po yung kaagom niya.
93,000.
Ayun po.
O, ikaw na magbilang. Okay, bilang ka na. Guys, ayan, magbabayaran na kami yan. May witness tayo, Ian, tsaka Jason. Yan. 93K tayo. Ayan. From 110, nakuha natin siyang 93K. Ayan, napakabago pa, 8K pa lang yung odometer niya. Ang daming pera ni Kuya, oh. Kuya, share your
40.
blessings, ha? Nakita mo yung face ni Kuya, Jason, baka mamaya, tapuin na tayo.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Dami niyang ayusin ng motor, oh.
Okay po.
Sakto, Kuya?
Sakto po.
Walang sobra, ha? Ayan.
Walang tip.
Oh, wala. Si ano na po sa yung bahay. Ayan.
Kung kumangkaya ni, si ano po kayo? Si ano? Pang ano po sa...
Ay, ito. Ayan. Sige. 100K yan, Kuya. Alaga, ikaw magbabayad niyang ano. Ito si Sir Alfeo, siya po yung nag-receive ng ating ano. Kasi yung owner, nandun na siya sa Quezon. So, Kuya, say hello to my vlog.
Hello po.
Ayan, mabuhay po kayo and maraming salamat. See you guys!
How about you, sir?
I gave the money.
Karga na po.
Yes. Okay. Yes. We're done na. Nakabayad na kami ng motor. At ayun si Rick. Nag-test drive na din siya. So, yan. Saya-saya. Ayan, pinagtutulungan na yung motor. Ayan. Happy birthday to my darling Rick. He's happy with his new toy. Yan. So, dito, Naga, kaway-kaway sa mga taga-Naga. Thank you so much. Ayan, nagbiyahe pa kami ng 3.5 hours. With the help of my good friend, Ian. Ayan, and then Jason. Ayan, mga big boys talaga to. Thank you guys. Thank you, boys. And thank you for helping Rick and I. And ito, mabait din si Kuya. So, hindi naman talaga siya yung owner. And, yan. Diba? Saya-saya. See you again. Okay. So, tingnan natin anong gagawin. Hindi na kaya yan maano? Ano yan? Tatalian? Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to all my members and subscribers. Ayan, Rick is happy now. What?
Get a bill of sale.
What?
You get a bill of sale.
It's here, yes. I check everything. I can't hear him because it's a bit like, noisy here. Yeah, so I got everything. All the papers are here. I checked the deed of sale, the original ORCR, the valid IDs of the owner with 3 signature, and then okay, we compare the serial number from the LTO and from the motorcycle. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much. Shout out everybody. See you again on my upcoming videos. Diba? We're going back to Sorsogon na tayo. Yeah. Yan yung Aguila Glass. Aguila Glass, kapag gusto nyo dyan mag-change ng windshield, yan. So, dinaanan na natin itong mga car dealer. Diba? Ayun guys, nag-stop kami dito sa Daddy Burns. Daddy Burns, dito to sa Bato? Baaw? Ayan. Dito kami kumain actually. So, ayan na. Ayan, nakalimutan namin yung supplementary na. Ayan o, diba? Ayan o, si Jason o.